Welcome back, guys. Today I just want to clarify one thing. What sets me apart from a lot of YouTube photographers, they are here when the new camera comes out. They're here to sell you the newest and the latest greatest camera. When I'm talking about things, and this goes into most all my videos if you've listened to them in the past, I'm speaking as a photographer that shot for over 40 years. And a lot of the times where I'm coming from is I'm talking about profit line. If I can take a picture that looks just as good with a Canon R6 and a EF 24-70 2.8 lens versus the newest R6 with the RF 24-70 or the 28-70 f2.0, but I can get the same shot for $3,000 less, I don't see the need in spending $3,000 extra to get the same shot, because I'm not going to make the money. I'm actually going to lose money. So whenever I'm talking, I am talking in terms of bang for your buck, getting the most bang for your money, being able to still pull off a great shot, but do it in a more affordable way. You don't always have to run out and buy the newest camera that somebody just put out. You don't need that. A good photographer can take a camera that's 5-10 years old and get a great shot, and nobody will know the difference. So a lot of times when you hear me talk about this camera may be better than this camera, I'm not saying necessarily that camera is better head to head, but what I'm saying is better for your profit line. So if I recommend a camera from KEH over, say, a brand new camera, it's profit related. So if you're going to be in business as a photographer, you have to make a profit. It's like any other business. You must make a profit line. Now, you still have to do quality work, but quality work can be done with a camera that's not brand new. Some of the best cameras ever made are a few years older, and definitely some of the best lenses are a few years older. So when you guys hear me, I know I've gotten some comments before, gotten some thumbs down and some stuff when I make a comment about this camera or that camera. I'm not down in that camera. What I'm saying is you can do the same thing on a lesser camera and save yourself a lot of money and add money to your profit line. So I just want to make that clear. I think I should have said this earlier when I made the channel. I think I've had some misunderstandings with some people think that I'm slamming on this camera. I don't like this camera. It's not that I don't like that camera. It's that I can do the same job with a less expensive camera. I'm big into used cameras from KEH. A camera from KEH you might can get for $1,000, where if you get one that's almost new, it can be over $2,000. Well, obviously, if you're looking for a profit line, you're going to want the cheaper camera. So that's the way to go. And so a lot of my perspective when I'm talking about things is coming from making a profit. I don't do photography for a hobby. I don't do photography for just fun. I do photography as a career, and I always have for over 40 years. So a lot of what I'm saying has to do with making money, running that profit line up. Just so we're clear from here on out, I get a little bit of I get some emails and a little comments every now and then from people think I'm slighting a new camera or something like that, or a lens, and I'm really not. The only thing I've said, like the 28-70 f2.0 Canon lens, the new RF, it's a beautiful lens, great lens. I did say that camera is a little bit heavy, but again, I'm older. So if you take into account my age and that I'm all about profit, you'll kind of see where I'm coming from. I love that 28-70 f2.0. I'm thinking about renting it for a friend's wedding that I've got coming up. It's a great lens. It's not something I would carry around all the time because my back wouldn't allow me to do that. And it's a very expensive camera. So profit line, I can get away with a 28-70, an older version, and save a lot of money and save a lot of weight and a strain on my back. So anyway, as long as you guys understand that's where I'm coming from, so we're kind of on the same page now. I don't want some of you guys being angry with me for some of the things I say. I just want you to understand where I'm coming from, and that's where I'm coming from is I want you guys to make money. I want you to be successful. I want you to shoot for as long as I have, and to do that, you need a good profit line. So hey, with that said, if you guys have any questions about anything I've said in the past, or any questions that have popped in your head, leave me a comment down below them, or leave me an email, and I'll be glad to get to you. For helping you guys out, give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.